Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be looking at a very popular topic, food. We're going to be looking at 5 unique Jamaican delicacies that I absolutely recommend. Now, these are not in any particular order. So, starting with the 5th. Number 5, Solomon Gundi, served with good old water crackers. Now, Solomon Gundi can be made from scratch, but for most of us who are constantly on the go, you can pick up a bottle in the store as well as some water crackers and you're ready to go. Delicacy number 4, Manish Water. This is a soup prepared from goat head, goat belly, and believe it or not, the testicles. It's also prepared with lots of vegetables, small dumplings, green bananas, and the usual seasonings that you would add to your soup. Many people believe that Manish water is an aphrodisiac, and many people also believe that this is to be consumed only by men. But whatever you believe, it's a very tasty soup. It is felt that the name Manish Water is derived from the fact that this is a soup strictly for men. Delicacy number 3 is an all-time favorite, the Jamaican black cake, usually prepared at Christmas time. I recently did a video on the rum cake or the black cake. For those of you who missed it, I'll pin it in the description below. Delicacy number 2, the Jamaican Soril, usually served at Christmas time. Very delicious. It's also very nutritious. It's high in vitamin C. It is said to be instrumental in lowering blood pressure. It also neutralizes fat-free radicals in our bodies that are responsible for conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, eczema, and even cancer. And now we're at our final delicacy, number 1. An all-time favorite, fish and Bami. Bami, which is prepared from cassava and fish prepared in a variety of ways, whether brown stew, steamed, or escovitched. But coupled with the Bami, they make an amazing combination. Very nutritious and very enjoyable as well. So guys, there you have it. 5 of my favorite Jamaican delicacies. Thanks for staying with me through this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you benefited from this video. Until next time, ciao.